Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for staying with me that long. I'm asking when you watch this video, please share it with a friend because I am working to grow my channel on YouTube. If you're enjoying the message, if you're enjoying the tutorials, if you enjoy anything I put on YouTube, I am thankful for that. And with that said, I am going to base my eyes so we can do an eyeshadow look. I am using the Viseart palette today. I have not used it in a while. Don't know what colors I'm going to use, but as we go along, you'll see what colors I use. That is that. What am I about to do? We don't know. I'm gonna use the Lip Bar concealer for my eyes. So let us just try that. If you're new to my channel, I have very hooded eyes, so I create looks that will complement my hooded fat eyes. But I have very small lids and a very small eyes, but I can see. One eye is best, one is not. We're going to work with this one. This is my right, which is your left in the camera. Going back into the first color and put it back on the edges of this. Back into the second color to deepen the crease. This is very pigmented. The quality of the shadow I love. It's smooth, it blends well. I'm going to do the second eye and I'll be back so we can do the base together. I'm back to show you both eyes, but I want the color to pop a little bit more, the one in the middle. So I'm going to see if I can create some kind of cut crease. I am not good with cut crease because of my hooded eyes. I'm going to attempt a cut crease today. Let's see how I do because I want that color to pop really nice. And I'm not going to open my eyes because I want just to line out where I want the cut crease to be. So if I keep my eyes the way it is, I will get a better lining because my hooded eyes are tricky. Okay, now I'm going to open so I can get right here. Now I am ready to attempt that cut crease. This is the first one. I'll work with the second one off camera and I'll be back. Now both eyes have been done, so I'm going to darken the outer corner. I'm using Black Radiance pressed powder in golden almond. I am back with the rest of the face and the whole complete look. I use this color right here as my highlighter. My highlighter is by Colored Rain. It is called Lavender Dreams and it looks like this. And this is what it looks like right here. The colors I use on my eyes are right here. This color right here is all over my eyes. This second color is in my crease. This color is the one I attempted to do a cut crease with. I hope I succeeded. And then this color is in the inner corner. This is it. These are the 4 colors I have on right now. My bronzer slash brush is called Naughty Spice by Colored Rain. This is the color. And my lipstick is by Black Radiance. And this is everything I used today to create this simple, everyday eyeshadow makeup look. I am really loving the Viseart palette. This Viseart palette is gorgeous. The colors look like this in the pan. Let me show you. This is the first color that I showed you. I put on my eyes all over. This is the second color, which is in the outer corner and in the crease. This is the color that I attempted to do the cut crease, which is right here in the middle. And this color right here is the one that I use in the inner corner to go this way. So this is everything. I am loving this little palette. So far I think I only did 2 looks from it. This is my 3rd one and I am going to try to do a couple more from this palette. The formula is beautiful. It blends well. It stays well. The only thing I notice, it makes me look more wrinkly on my eyes than I usually am. But that's fine. I don't care. The color is nice. It's pretty. It's beautiful. It blends well. If you like Viseart, let me know in the comments below. This is it. This is everything. I thank you all for tuning in. Newcomers, welcome. My old-time subscribers, thank you for staying with me. And today, remember today's word, motivational, lift me up, whichever way you choose to call it. Remember, stay solid on the inside and learn to also be a little bit liquid. Stay solid, stay fluid, but remember to stay solid. I am sending love, hugs to you wherever you are, whatever situation you're in, wherever you are and what is going on. Stand still, stay strong, and love. My love flows to you. I am sending you comforting words. And remember, always remember, self is first. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I will see you in another video. I am liking the colors. Tell me in the comments what you think. I love it. They came out well. And again, bye bye. Bye bye bye. See you soon.